My friends, good to see you again. Today, let us talk about a puzzle that once drove physicists quite mad. Imagine, we shine light onto a piece of metal, and electrons jump out, like tiny sparks escaping. This is what we call the photoelectric effect. Simple to observe, but for years, impossible to explain with old physics. Problem setup, curiosity hook. You see, according to classical wave theory, brighter light should always knock out more energetic electrons. But experiments showed something strange. Even the dimmest violet light could release electrons instantly, while the brightest red light often did nothing at all. Something did not add up. Core explanation, simple, analogy-driven. So I asked myself, what if light is not just a wave, but also comes in little packets, like tiny coins of energy? I called these packets quanta, later named photons. Think of it this way. Imagine a vending machine that only accepts 1 rupee coins. You can throw a mountain of 50 paise coins at it, but it will not open. But drop in a single 1 rupee coin, and click, it works. Light works the same. Each photon carries energy depending on its color. Blue or violet photons carry enough coin value to knock an electron free. Red photons, though they can be many, simply do not have enough energy. The electron ignores them. Closing, inspiring, forward-looking. This simple idea that light is made of quanta was the seed of quantum theory, a revolution that changed all of science. It told us the world is not only continuous waves, but also tiny indivisible packets. From this came quantum mechanics, semiconductors, even the devices that record this very video. So next time you see sunlight on a metal surface, remember, those sparks of electrons were the first whispers of a deeper quantum world, still waiting for us to understand more. All right, my friends, until next time, keep questioning, keep wondering.